Open the accessory box. Installation of horizontal spool pin. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Take out bobbin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Wind thread clockwise around bobbin winder tension discs. Thread bobbin and place on spindle. Push bobbin spindle to right. Turn on the sewing machine. Hold on to end of thread. Step on foot control pedal. Cut off excess thread. Push bobbin spindle to left and remove. Insert the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread running. Pull the thread through the slit. Pull out about 6 inches of thread and attach the bobbin cover plate. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide. Lead thread down right channel and up left channel. Pass the thread behind the horizontal thread guide. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release lever. Pull the thread through the needle eye. Turn the hand wheel towards you to lower the needle. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Gently pull on the upper thread. Lay both threads to the back under the presser foot. Set the machine to straight stitch. When set to 0, the stitch is straight. Adjust the stitch length dial. Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Press the start button to begin sewing. Rotate the button clockwise to increase sewing speed. Rotate the button counterclockwise to decrease sewing speed. Press the reverse stitch button to sew in reverse. Turn to the left to remove the fabric. Cut the thread. Turn the pattern selector dial. Adjust the stitch width dial. Adjust the stitch length dial. Open the buttonhole plate and insert the button. Install the buttonhole foot. Set the pattern selector dial. The needle position setting is at the baseline. Set the stitch width to 6. Set stitch length dial to 0.5 to 1. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. It will automatically sew in the order. After sewing, lift the lever back up. Warning: if not reset, the machine will sew in reverse. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole. Lift the needle by the turning hand wheel toward you. Rotate the needle clamp screw in your direction. Remove the needle. The flat side of the shaft should be towards the back. Insert the needle upwards as far as possible. Press the lever on the back of the presser foot holder. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Remove the needle plate set screws. Remove the needle plate. Clean the dust and lint clogging the machine. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.